Now to some breaking news in Donald Trump's legal fights. Just moments ago, the former president formally appealed the civil fraud ruling against him here in New York. Let's get right to MSNBC legal correspondent Lisa Rubin. Lisa, what do we know about this appeal?
So, Anna, what Trump filed this morning and his co-defendants with him are two notices of appeal. One is at Judge Engoron's decision and order. That's that 92-page decision in which he found Trump and his co-defendants liable for 6 additional counts of fraud in their business dealings in the Trump organization over a period of almost a decade. He has also now appealed the judgment that was entered late last week. That judgment reduced the dollar amount, as you know, to $464 million and counting by the day, with each additional day for added judgment. We don't see a brief yet. That's because Trump, under ordinary New York civil procedure rules, has 6 months to do what's called perfecting the appeal. That's filing a brief, filing the trial record with the appellate court. And the other thing that we know right now is what we haven't seen. We haven't seen any indicia of an undertaking or a bond that Trump and his co-defendants have posted in the amount of the underlying award.
And of course, that's multi-million dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars. But what about the interest that he's supposed to accrue every day, $111,000? Given that they've now filed this appeal, does that put that on hold?
No, it doesn't. And we don't have a stay on enforcement of the judgment either. That's because without that undertaking or bond, there is no pause in the proceedings. That means that the Attorney General can take steps to move ahead to enforce this judgment unless and until Trump achieves that stay by posting a bond, Anna.
Hope you found that MSNBC clip interesting. We're eager to share our thoughts and hear yours. So let's keep the dialogue flowing in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to show your support by liking the video, following us, and subscribing to the channel for more content. As a conservative Republican and supporter of Donald Trump, the recent appeal in the New York civil fraud case against President Trump is a clear example of the prolonged witch hunt perpetrated against a man who has tirelessly served our nation. The appeal, which challenges the judge's decision that found Trump and his co-defendants liable for additional counts of fraud, is not only rightful but also underscores the legal system's commitment to due process. The media's portrayal of this appeal as another notch in Trump's series of legal battles is myopic, ignoring the broader context of a politically motivated judiciary and a biased media landscape. The fact that the judgment was reduced to $464 million is testament to the inflated nature of the original claims, which speaks volumes about the prosecutorial overreach in this case. Moreover, it's concerning to see the casual expectation for Trump to post a bond in the hundreds of millions as a precondition to a fair appeal process. It is paramount that the focus remains on the merits of the case rather than on the financial aspects designed to derail Trump's efforts to defend himself. Let's remember that in America, every person, no president excluded, is innocent until proven guilty. The insistence on accruing daily interest on the judgment during the appeal process is yet another attempt to pressure Trump financially, rather than seeking justice through the courts. This appeal is not just about defending former President Trump's rights. It's about maintaining the integrity of our judicial system, which should be blind to political agendas and focused solely on the law. It's about ensuring everyone receives equal treatment, regardless of their status or political affiliations. This legal fight is far from over, and Trump's critics might find that their attempts to undermine him will only solidify the resolve of his supporters.